The PS4 Slim is finally available in India. But it isn't the only slim and light console you can buy. Microsoft's Xbox One S debuted globally last year, replacing the bulky Xbox One. Which one is worth buying? We tell you. In terms of price, the Xbox One S has the advantage. You can get a 1TB Xbox One S for as low as Rs 28,000. However, the catch is that you won't get local warranty as the console isn't available in India officially just yet. A spokesperson for Microsoft confirmed to Gadgets 360 that there are no plans to bring in the Xbox One S to India. Although several retailers have told us that the console will be available officially from April. The PS4 Slim's MRP is 27,990 rupees for the 500GB version and 32,990 rupees for the 1TB version, with games such as Watch Dogs 1 and 2 or Call of Duty Infinite Warfare and the Call of Duty Modern Warfare Remaster. The Xbox One S dishes the bulky 1880s VCR stylings of the original Xbox One for something that's a lot more acceptable for your entertainment center. And cnet, everyone's favorite spy cam, isn't needed either. In terms of pure aesthetics, it's possibly one of the better looking consoles ever, with sharp lines and clicky buttons that are a far cry from the original Xbox One. The robot white color tends to smudge easily and holes for ventilation are dust traps, making it a console that requires cleaning from time to time to keep it looking like new. As for the PS4 Slim, it looks better in real life than in pictures. It's deceptively thin, fitting nicely into a messenger bag meant for 13-inch laptops. The all-matte finish ensures dust isn't that big a problem either. But the biggest improvements are in its power and eject buttons. They're mechanical compared to the feather touch feel of the original PlayStation 4, making them a treat to use. It feels light despite its solid build quality. If build quality and looks are high on your list of priorities, you can't go wrong with either. They look great regardless of your entertainment setup. But it's what's on the inside that counts, isn't it? The specs of the Xbox One S show a minor bump over the Xbox One. Nonetheless, the incremental upgrade in the GPU clock and memory bandwidth result in HDR being possible on the console, as well as a steadier, more consistent frame rate over the original Xbox One. This is something we notice across the board, particularly in first-party titles like Gears of War 4 and Forza Horizon 3. The PS4 Slim sports the same internals as the original PS4. There are some trade-offs with the smaller frame. Optical out for audio goes missing, which is something to keep in mind if you're an audiophile. However, 5GHz Wi-Fi, which was not there in the original PS4, is present, ensuring better connectivity if you're using a wireless connection for gaming for some reason. In terms of sheer performance, there's little difference between the two, particularly on a full HD TV, though HDR on the Xbox One S is a lot more pronounced versus the PS4 Slim's implementation of it in supported titles. The Xbox One S has Halo, Gears, Sunset Overdrive, Forza, with Sea of Thieves and Crackdown 3 on the way as well. The PS4 Slim has Uncharted, Yakuza, Gravity Rush, the upcoming Gran Turismo Sport, and Horizon Zero Dawn. If you want a steady supply of exclusives, both Sony and Microsoft have a ton at their disposal, making it a matter of personal preference. Along with the Xbox One S comes a revamped controller, also in Robot White. It sports a host of modifications ranging from a textured grip at the back that isn't as pronounced as it was on the special edition controllers, a 3.5mm jack for audio, and buttons that have a nice clicky feedback. The DualShock 4 that ships with the PS4 Slim is a slightly modified version of what shipped with the original. There's an improved light bar placement, and you can input commands via USB cable. From our experience, the build quality is sturdier than the original, with analog sticks that don't wear out that often and is light to use. Between the two, we prefer the Xbox One S controller. Its weight and buttons make it a better fit in our opinion. Safe to say, if you own an original PS4 or Xbox One, there's no need to pick up either just yet. Having said that, you can't go wrong with either console. They're welcome iterations to their original releases. But if we had to pick a favorite, the PS4 Slim is the one to get, simply due to it being available officially, ensuring you're taken care of in terms of warranty in case something goes amiss. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram at Gadgets360.